Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. We are walking back to the boss, and there you see the new lava from a distance. Actually it's not that far, it's maybe 3-4 kilometers to the outer edges of the new lava from here. There you see. Yeah, so it's December lava and February lava mixed up together, more or less on the same location. And this is 2021 lava. We are right next to the lava wall. It's quite easy hike to get to 2021 lava. Just 45 minutes maybe from the bus trail A. I would recommend it if you come to Iceland, just do it on your own, especially in such a nice weather like today. It's +1 maybe, or around 0. So there you see the new lavas. The access to the lagoon is closed, so you can't drive, but very soon I will film it and fly my drone above it when they open the roads. I have crampons, see this spikes on the shoes just to get a better grip. Because it's easy to slide here and fall down. Days are getting longer now in Iceland. It's 6:30. Sun sets at around 6:30 in the evening. At this point of the hike, my phone started running out of battery and stopped recording the sound. So the video is there, but no sound. But I will still upload it as it is, and I will comment the rest of the hike. Now we are approaching the minor wall down the zigzag trail. This is trail A that takes you to Fagradalsfjall volcano, the Litlihrutur valley, but you can also use the same trail to reach Meradalir volcano and Litlihrutur volcano, which is a very long hike. It takes 2 hours to get to Litlihrutur, somewhat less to the first cone, maybe 45 minutes. We were there with a group of 49 people from various countries who came to see the eruption site, and I was the driver and the guide at the same time. The company that I work occasionally for is called Bus Travel Iceland, and they do this day tour to this lava field every day if conditions allow. We do hike there to 2021 cone. There is enormous interest in the volcanic eruptions in Iceland, not only on YouTube but also among the tourists who visit Iceland. Many of them wish to see the site, and the road to parking lot number 1 for Fagradalsfjall is open. It's east of Grindavik, and right after parking lot number 1 there is a checkpoint closure for Grindavik. You can't drive any further. The weather is becoming warmer in Iceland. We had really bad January, very nasty weather in January. It was super windy, very cold, also minus temperatures, and cloudy. We had tough time with Northern Light tours. I also drive Northern Light tours sometimes, and most of times we had been struggling with clouds, because if you have clouds you can't see Northern Lights. Northern Lights is a big business in Iceland. Nearly all the tourists who come to Iceland in wintertime, they wish to see Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis, so that's what I do when I'm free. I drive Northern Light tours and do volcano hikes, Golden Circle tours in between, as you see. And now we are approaching the lava wall. Here lava spilled back in September 2021, the last time when we saw the hot lava flow here. I remember that day very well. It was around 14th of September. And not everywhere lava is hot. In many parts lava is covered with snow. You will see it in a drone video. I also did a drone flight and I will upload it very soon. And in the distance you see December and February lava of Svartsengi volcano. It is unlikely that this volcano will erupt anywhere where we are walking, because it's a different volcanic system, Fagradalsfjall and Svartsengi. And the magma dike for Svartsengi volcano is much further to the west, where you see the black lava field. So, but you never know what is going to happen next. We might see another eruption in Fagradalsfjall too. Here you see the smokes from the new lava, from which erupted now in December and February, the most new lava seen in the distance. Greetings from Iceland.